Do you love mysticism and the Middle Ages? Then you must visit this place. Rupit is the town of witches in Spain, and it's waiting for you. Let's go! Take the C17 highway from Barcelona and switch to the C153 mountain road. All way will take about 100 kilometers and nearly 2 hours. And here we are. Our destination is Rupit. There are no cars allowed inside the town. You'll need to park at the entrance and go strictly on foot across a wooden bridge. Crossing it is a real adventure. You'll have an instant adrenaline rush. Keep in mind the golden rule: no more than 10 people on the bridge at a time. Would you like to spend your weekend in such place? Please comment and share the video. Welcome to the other side. You literally drop right into the 7th century. Forget paving stones. You're walking on raw, uneven bedrock, stepping over the very same stone ridges once worn down by the hoofs of knights' horses. If you're tired, you could take a pause. There are a lot of souvenir shops and cozy cafes and traditional taverns serving hearty Catalan cuisine. Here, you could find everything you need for every taste and budget. So why the city of witches? During the Inquisition, it became a haven for herbalists, fortune tellers, and healers. Surrounded by wild forests and mountains, the town shielded its people from outside threats and enemies. It was a place exceptionally hard to reach. Other unique fact in this town is lava. You won't find the usual asphalt here. You are walking on real solidified lava. About 11,000 years ago, volcanoes erupted in this region, and today this ancient basalt rock serves as the foundation for the town. Locals strictly preserve this authentic vibe in city. There are no air conditioners, modern antennas on the facades. They are banned here. Walking by the narrow streets, you could enjoy old stone massive houses. Well, proudly display their construction dates, like 1645, heavy wooden windows and doors. Leave the comments and drop your questions below. We continue our journey. Let's go and take a secret trail out of the town. Go straight into the forest. And here's a quick spoiler. This path will lead us right to a waterfall. It's important for me if you'll hit the like button, share, and subscribe for the channel, please. Thanks for support. But Rupit isn't just about history. It has wonderful wild nature. Forests, mountains with eagles soaring high above. The route from Rupit to Waterfall is quite easy, and even complete beginners can comfortably handle it. It took about 30 minutes of easy trekking for one side. You'll reach the main natural attraction, the Solent Waterfall. This is a magnificent vertical cliff over 100 meters high. The water goes straight down into a deep canyon. Pure nature will take your breath away. Now it's time to say goodbye for this magic city. Would you like to visit this town? Write your comments. Which places would you like to visit in Spain? See you at the next videos. Bye bye. Thank you for the watching and support of channel.